Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to buy crypto using PayPal on crypto.com, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply open your crypto.com application or crypto the web store. Then you have to simply click on any of the cryptocurrency from here like Bitcoin. Then you have to buy that. You can find a buy button. Simply when you find the buy button, then you can find a payment screen. So you have to enter the amount, that how much Bitcoin or how much cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then you can find the current current cost for that amount of crypto that you have to pay. Then in the payment process, after completing all the prompted details, in the payment screen you can find the PayPal as a payment method that you can use, and you can simply click on PayPal. Then simply click on this button here that for accepting their terms and conditions. Then simply click on place order, and you can actually find that PayPal will asking for the permission. You have to enter your PayPal account credentials like your username, your Gmail address or email address, or your phone number and password. After that, you have to confirm the transaction and you are good to go. So that's how you can simply use PayPal to buy crypto in crypto.com. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.